Hello and welcome to another session with my workshop. Hope you're all keeping well and staying safe and being sensible and staying at home. I've got today's video is about a parcel that I just got. So I've got a parcel here that I'm gonna unwrap in a minute, and then we'll fit it to the bike. But before then, for those of you that might have tuned in that are regular car detailing enthusiasts, lots of apologies, haven't done much on that front for the last day or two. I have got some new products coming in from County Detailing, so when they arrive I'll see if I can capture some cars to clean. I might get my wife to lay in the road, and when a car stops, see if I can grab it to clean it, but we'll see how that one works out. In the meantime, let's see what I've got here. One of my subscribers said that I look like a kid at Christmas. Couldn't be more true. Right, so here we go. Right, there we go. It's my moustache hinging guard. So I'm going to see how that fits on the bike, and we'll fit that this afternoon. Another bit of chrome to clean. All looking good. Let's get the bike out in the drive, and we'll get this fitted. So while I get the bike out, you put the kettle on. I'll catch you in a minute. Right, so bike's out in the drive. I've put a drying towel over the front mudguard just to make sure I don't do anything stupid like scratch it, because I will be beside myself. Right, so first thing I've got to do is undo these two bolts under here. Right, that's those two bolts out, and in the little fitting kit that comes with it we've got two new bolts. Right, so we get the engine guard. Put that under there. Put the bottom ones in first, just to take the weight, just a couple of threads, and then that top one goes in there. he says. Right. Right, it's the top tight. Let's just tighten the bottom now. Yeah, job done. Let's see what that looks like, shall we? Well pleased with that. Now, it's looking the way I thought it would. Look. A little sissy bar on the back. We got my engine guard on the front. We got my big radius. Got my little oil temperature. Nice flush cap. All I'm waiting for now is I've got a set of wing mirrors to go on with that are got indicators on, or indicators integrated into them. So I've got to wait for the lockdown to be finished, because I'm going to get the dealership to install them. So there we go. That's a cool looking bike. So there we go. Real quick video today, and clearly my wife didn't overhear me saying about getting her to lay down in front of passing cars, because while I was doing that she brought me a cup of tea and a chocolate cake. So I'm still in the good books, and she don't watch these videos anyway. Right, so what's that? Is that everything I've got to do? I think so for the moment. I've got an air filter coming tomorrow. I did have an air filter sent to me, but it was a wrong one. It was had the fitting kit for a Harley 48. So new one should be here tomorrow. So I'll fit that, and I've got the fuel pack, the Vance and Hines fuel pack. I've got to install that. So that should be it for a while. So there we go. So again, apologies for those guys that normally like to see me muck about with cars, but we're having a spate of bike stuff at the moment, purely because the bike equipment is coming, and I've run out of dirty cars, although my wife's car does need something doing to it. It's looking a little bit on on the grubby side, but we'll have to see. So there we go. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.